Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the Network on LDO. In my earlier videos of LDO, I've been showing you that it broke out a channel and after that we had a nice short rally and this was one of those videos. Now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this rally, the price is once again dropped down at this short-term support that is at 74 cents. That has been recently working as support here. And again, it is working as support. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that the price is slightly geared up after testing the support of 74 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And if I place another trend line here at this point of rejection, then here you can see that we have another short-term resistance approximately at $1.17 that has been recently working at a point of rejection here. And here it has been acting as a resistance. And for a few days, it has been recently working as a resistance here as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2025 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for CRV, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 6th of May 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. Now for that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of LDO, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past few weeks, it has been moving inside this quite long-term down channel since after the first week of January 2025. Last week of January 2025, we had a bounce here, a rejection here, bounce here, and a few more rejections here. And we had another bounce here, another bounce here, a few more rejections here. And finally, the price line after this rejection broke out the resistance and formed a double top at this long-term resistance of $1.17. That is, by the way, recently we have found a resistance here that has been recently working at the resistance here and support here. A short-term resistance, and after breaking it out, this will be a long-term resistance on from $1.40 to $1.50. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously working as support zone here, resistance zone here, support here, support here, support here, support zone here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of LDO. Right now, the price line is testing this short-term support of 74 cents that had been recently working as a support here. And again, it is working as support. Before that, for a few days, it had been acting as a resistance here as well. And by the way, the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is at $2.50. And over there, we have another long-term resistance on from $2.50 to $2.73. That has been recently working as a resistance on here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been acting as a resistance on here, support on here, support on here. And for several weeks a month, it has been working as a resistance on here and resistance on here as well. Now, if we take a look at the previous breakout from this channel, you can see that every time after the breakout from this channel and this wedge and this channel, it is starting very, very nice rallies. But here we have found a highest resistance so far at $4. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we got rejection here and rejection here. And after the breakout from this recent down channel, this was also the technical target for this this down channel that we previously broke out before this channel. The target, this $4 was target for the breakout from this channel, but the price was rejected by this resistance on. That starts from $2.50 and goes to $2.73. In my opinion, after the breakout from this recent down channel, if the price breaks out this resistance on, then soon it can make another attempt to break out this final resistance of $4 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.